Have you ever felt tied to your desk, your home, or your office just to make a phone call? What if you could cut the cord and take your phone number with you wherever you go? Introduction. Today, we're going to dive into the world of Ooma, a revolutionary phone service that's changing the way we communicate. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's ask ourselves, what is a phone service? Really? Defining phone service. A phone service is like a bridge that connects you to the world. It's a way to make and receive calls, send and receive messages, and even access other features like voicemail and call forwarding. Traditionally, phone services were tied to specific locations, often requiring a landline. But with the advent of VoIP voice over Internet protocol, the game has changed. Introducing Ooma. Ooma is a VoIP phone service that offers a flexible and affordable way to make and receive calls. Unlike traditional landline services, Ooma doesn't require any physical lines or equipment. All you need is a high-speed internet connection and an Ooma device. Key features of Ooma: HD voice quality. Experience crystal-clear audio with Ooma's HD voice quality. Say goodbye to muffled or distorted calls. Unlimited calling. Enjoy unlimited calling to the US and Canada with most Ooma plans. No more worrying about minutes or long-distance charges. Advanced features. Ooma offers a range of advanced features, including voicemail, call forwarding, caller ID, and more. Mobile app. Take your phone number with you wherever you go with the Ooma mobile app. Make and receive calls, check voicemail, and manage your account from your smartphone. Ooma Telelodge. If you're a business owner, Ooma Telelodge offers a professional phone system with features like auto attendance, call queues, and call recording. Ooma versus traditional landlines. Cost. Ooma is often more affordable than traditional landlines, especially for those who make a lot of calls. Flexibility. Ooma offers more flexibility than landlines, allowing you to take your phone number with you and use it on any device with an internet connection. Features. Ooma often offers more advanced features than traditional landlines, such as call recording and call forwarding. How to get started with Ooma. Getting started with Ooma is easy. Simply choose a plan, purchase an Ooma device, and connect it to your internet router. Once you've activated your service, you're ready to start making and receiving calls. Ooma and home security. Ooma also offers a home security system that integrates seamlessly with its phone service. With Ooma Home Security, you can monitor your home, receive alerts, and even arm and disarm your system remotely. Real-world examples. To better understand the benefits of Ooma, let's hear from some real-world users. Insert testimonials or case studies here. Ooma is a game-changer when it comes to phone service. It offers a flexible, affordable, and feature-rich solution that can meet the needs of both individuals and businesses. So if you're tired of being tied to your landline, it's time to cut the cord and switch to Ooma. Ready to make the switch? Visit Ooma website to learn more and sign up for a plan. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.